Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my English second paper class. Hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. Today, we will discuss about articles. When you read articles, there is a question in our mind. What is article? Actually, article is the adjective which is used before a noun to indicate noun or nouns definitely or indefinitely in the sentence is called article. Some people think article is simple thing and it should not learn properly, but when we speak or write English, article will come automatically. But it is a wrong idea. Article is important in English language and article must learn properly, seriously. Without learning article, you can't speak English, you can't imagine English. There are two types of articles in English language. Their name, first on indefinite article, second one definite article. When you read definite article and indefinite article, there is a question in our mind, what is indefinite article? Actually, indefinite article is the article which indicates noun indefinitely is called indefinite article. Such as he is a good girl. Here, he is a. A is indefinite article and definite article. Definite article. What is definite article? The definite article is the article which indicates noun definitely is called definite article. Such as the girls are reading book. Here the girls. The is definite article because it indicates girls definitely. And our previous example, she is a good girl. She is a good girl. Here a indicates girl indefinitely. For this reason, she is a good girl. Here a is indefinite article in this, and the girls are reading book. Here the girls, the indicates girls definitely. For this reason, the is definite article. Now we go to our main discussion on articles. Use of a and an. A and an are used before countable noun to indicate indefinitely. If the first letter of noun is vowel, it takes an. It takes an. Such as you need to take an orange. Here an is article because noun orange starts with letter O, vowel letter. For this reason, orange supported an as article. On the other hand, if the first letter of noun is consonant, it takes a as article. Such as it is a pen. Here pen is noun and it supported the article a, not an, a, because this noun pen starts with the letter P. P is a consonant. For this reason, P supports the article A. So, vowel always support the article N and consonant always support the article A. These two articles A and N are indefinite article. They always indicates the noun indefinitely. We also discuss it in our previous class. So it is clear A and N is indefinite article. Dear learners, in the board we can see you. It means use of you in the article. When the letter U is used in a noun as first letter, that noun receives article. It is true that U always receives an as article because U is a vowel, but sometimes we see U receives A as article. But it is obviously true. But the reason is that when U is uttered as Bangla word you, it receives article A, such as this is a university. Here, university is noun and this noun is uttered with the letter U and U is uttered as U. For this reason, university takes article A as article. Here is the another vowel O. It means use of O in article. If the noun starts with the letter O, it receives article N because O is a vowel letter. We already know that vowel always receive N. For this reason, O always receive N, but if O is pronounced as O, Bangla letter O antyesthya akar O, or English letter WA, it receives A as article because O is not pronounced as O, it pronounced as O. For this reason, it receives A. If the letter O is pronounced as O, it always receives N. Such as I saw a one-eyed man. Here, one-eyed man. One is pronounced as wa. For this reason, one-eyed man receives article A, not N. In the board, we also see another word ace. It means the use of ace in the article. We know ace always receives A as article, but when ace is pronounced as Bangla word O, ace takes N as article because ace is not pronounced as ace. Ace is pronounced as O. For this reason, ace takes article N, such as he is an honest man. Here, honest man. Honest is pronounced as honest. Here H first letter is H and H is not pronounced as ha, Bangla letter ha. H is pronounced as o, Bangla letter o. For this reason H, honest man, receives article n. In the next example you can see this is a hen. Here hen is noun and hen is starts with English letter H and H is pronounced as H ha, ha, hen, hen. For this reason H receives article a as